Hello. Your device is ready for setup.
What I'm about to show you in these series of videos is an adrenaline-pumping behind-the-scenes expose that I hope will revolutionize your approach to e-learning development. Think of it as a development journey where I pull back the curtain and reveal every electrifying detail of creating a high-stakes e-learning project for a global titan, Amazon Echo. This isn't just a series of videos. It's your all-access pass to witness the birth of an e-learning masterpiece, from the first spark of an idea to its triumphant completion. And here's the best part. We're learning together, from my mistakes to my solutions. Full disclosure, nothing in this series is under any NDA. All the materials, from the branding to the use cases, are freely available on the net, meaning there are no confidentiality or legal restrictions on sharing this transparent look at the entire process. A project like this is fantastic for building your portfolio, perfecting your pitch to actual clients, and for educational purposes. So, where do we go from here? We'll start with a quick analysis looking at objectives, scope, and our audience. Then, it's on to design, where we'll explore storyboarding, mood boards, and prototyping. After that, we'll hit development, focusing on master slides, animations, graphics, interactivity, and custom scripts. Next comes implementation, which involves device testing, pilot rollouts, and LMS integration. And finally, we'll tackle evaluation, checking out analytics, ROI, and behavior assessments. And finally, just a heads up as I wrap up here, please understand I won't be teaching you every single pixel design in After Effects, Sora AI, JavaScripting, or 3D modeling, etc. But what I'm going to do instead is get you the core hacks and techniques you really need. You'll then do your own research to fill in any gaps I may have missed. Otherwise, we'd be here for years. My goal is that this series becomes a foundation that will absolutely set you up for success in your future learning experience designs. And for any deeper dives or project-specific questions, feel free to reach out via the CraftUXD contact page. So, come ready, stay tuned, and definitely smash that subscribe button, both on our website and on YouTube, and get ready for an amazing ride.